On March 10th, the DGS Jazz program hosted its annual Jazz Cafe, a social night that brings the DGS community together through music style. Jazz is a distinct music culture subgroup, rich with history and influence, that originated in America. Students and staff at DGS have expressed an interest in jazz and the various aspects that come with the music. Junior Ellie Panovic expresses what she really enjoys about jazz with other musicians.
I feel like there's a lot of history packed in, and I feel like it's really interesting because you're encouraged to copy people, you're encouraged to steal other people's ideas and like kind of build that to like make your own solo.
The idea of music having a soul is a prominent one, especially in the music style of jazz. The root of jazz emphasizes the stories and the history in the music, which is what can draw some people to the genre in the first place. Assistant band director Shane Nelson dives deep into the history of jazz and how it shaped America after slavery ended.
Was especially like if you think about like it was originated from like enslaved people who were trying to find some sort of outlet in like a hard, very, very hard like time, right? Or their way of like expressing themselves, and then it developed into what we know as like jazz.
Just because times have changed does not erase the importance and culture that jazz music has created. In fact, it's incredibly important to pay attention to the history that affected our country before us. It represents the harmony human nature craves when we combine our efforts together. That's what jazz is really about.